Today I'm doing a review on the grinder. It comes with a 7-cell battery pack and wall charger. It has metal gears. I'm going to take the camera off the tripod. XL 5 ESC and Titan 12T 550 motor. TQ 2-channel radio system. The battery, which I already told you about. And metal gears, which I already told you about. It's made by Traxxas. This truck cost me, you can believe it was $365. It has a waterproof ESC, which I'll go ahead and show you that real quick. Basically everything on it is waterproof, so. And I guess I do have a wheelie bar on it because if you go full throttle off the start line, it tends to flip a lot, so I went ahead and got one of those. Here's the controller it comes with. The battery's on the charger with my other battery right now. You have the owner's manual. Your warranty, they have to send in within 10 days of purchase. Just some other books right here with other stuff. A book of basically a catalog. And there's some stuff you can get upgraded on it. Aluminum turnbuckles, a wheelie bar, ESC cooling fan, and it came with some tools which I have in the Ziploc bag, some extra gears, some washers, and a stick pad or whatever you put down under the battery to help with vibrations, which I'm going to do that, and the washers for the shocks. It's a fun little car just to mess around with. It's a little faster than this one right here, the Ripper. Yes, my shock is broken. I gotta fix that. And I'm going to be showing you some clips of me driving this. So I'll go ahead and go to that now. Before I go there, remember to subscribe, rate, comment, add a friend, all that good stuff. Thanks.
As time began to blur, like a startling sign that fate had finally found me, and your voice was all